Hi, this is Wendy Hannenberg from ParentingTips365.com. Today I'm going to show you how I make popcorn without using a microwave. Now you may be wondering why anybody would even want to make popcorn any other way, but I actually call microwave popcorn the curse of convenience. You may have read my article on the dangers of microwaving food in general, but microwave popcorn actually is unhealthy in many other ways, from the genetically modifying corn that's often used, to a carcinogenic coating on the bag, to many unhealthy ingredients such as artificial flavors, colors, preservatives, and trans fats. Now to make my popcorn, I use a Stir Crazy Popper, organic popcorn, organic coconut oil, organic butter, and a full spectrum mineral salt. So first, we start with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We use coconut oil because it's good for high heat applications. And coconut oil is a solid at temperatures less than 76 degrees, so that's why you'll see it's solid. I'm going to turn this on. Let that melt a little bit, and while that's melting, hello, I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of butter, of the organic butter, put it in a small saucepan, turn it on about medium-high heat. The coconut oil is almost melted. I use 1/3 cup popcorn. Cover it up, and we will wait until the popcorn is done and the butter is melted. Alright, the popcorn has slowed, so we'll unplug it. Tip it up this way, careful, I always lean back a little bit. And I always dump the popcorn into the bowl that you'll use. Our butter is melted, so next all we do is just sprinkle the butter on. Get a nice coating. I like to do some of the butter, then I alternate with our full spectrum mineral salt. And then I like to give it a little toss. And add some more. Butter. And obviously you can use a little less than this if you don't want as much butter. Salt and toss. And I think one more time we'll repeat that process. Now this popcorn is not only healthier for you, but it is actually very good tasting as well. My sisters always say that it tastes even better than movie theater popcorn. So if that interests you as well, another reason to make it this way. I also tend to think that the good ingredients I use contributes to that great taste of it. And a little more popcorn, and you are ready to eat. Now that took us about 5 minutes to make from start to finish, and sure, there's a little more prep work involved and a little more cleanup, but this is a much better way to make popcorn than in the microwave. I hope you'll give it a try. Be sure to check out my other healthy living ideas on my website at ParentingTips365.com.